Okay, this is the arcade stick I built. It looks pretty nice. This is I think the finished piece. It's got 10 buttons, 8 action buttons to start and to select for player 1 and player 2. It's got a really cool hotkey button for special functions. And it's all running off of Raspberry Pi. And it's got 4 USB ports, HDMI, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a GPIO pin, a 40-pin GPIO that you can wire and modify to your heart's content. It runs these 2 controllers basically as 2 separate USBs. You plug in back here, and you got room for storage for whatever, like I suppose a keyboard could fit in there, and emergency stuff. But yeah, this is what I have doing. So this is the brains behind what's going on up here. You've got every Super Nintendo game, all the cool menus that show the little video and a picture of the box and a description of the game in most cases. There's a couple that the videos aren't there for, but I mean, for the most part, every system, whether you've heard of it or not, these really cool menus and setups. There's favorites lists, like lists that have every Sonic or every Street Fighter or Zelda game. I've got the all games list. This one's running 12,410 games. That's less than I'm usually running, but it works. It works for now. So yeah, every single arcade game. Well, not every single one, but 2,361 of them. And they all have the cool videos. And if I can get it. Really cool though. I dig it. Ataris. You got the Commodore 64, Coleco, you got Dreamcast games. I don't have all of them on here, but I could put any of them I want. I got the ones that count. And then we got Japanese import Nintendo, Genesis, all the Game Boys. And there's the Master System and the Genesis, and the Nintendo 64, Neo Geo, Nintendo. Over 1,000 PC games for the DOS. Ports. We've got 160 some PlayStation games. All the good ones, of course. We've got, Castlevania, Cool Borders. There's Tekken. There's Tony Hawk's Pro Skater. There's all the Final Fantasies. Yeah, good stuff. Then we've got 32X, Sega CD, Super Nintendo, yeah, all that cool. And then there's the RetroPie menu for configuration. This is gonna have where you set up your audio, Bluetooth. You got a file manager. You can set up the Wi-Fi. So, anyway, hope you think it's cool.